Hello.
There it goes. See, there it goes. You did it.
You did it.
You did it. You did it. You did it. Yay. Alright. He's so cute. He's the cutest boy.
Pay attention.
Hello. Welcome back, my fellow flippers. How are we doing today? Oh, nothing. Okay. Well, as you guys know, we'll be flipping this here mask. And if you guys haven't seen our other videos, go and check those out if you want to. Hit that notifications button. Before we get started on this, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So thank you guys for tuning in with us. So today, we're going to work on this desk. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe it down. I did uninstall the keyboard storage compartment, the sliding drawer. I uninstalled that. I didn't really have a direction. I think I have a trend going here where I never have a direction. But
And where you pick the wrong color first.
yeah, that definitely makes it more fun. I went to our local Lowe's, and I like to look through the clearance sometimes when they have messed up colors. And yeah, I picked one of those.
We just kind of go from there.
And we just kind of went for it. I know what I was going for. It 100% doesn't always go in the favor that I wanted to. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to actually tape some of these off. And I am kind of going to go with some paint and mix that in with a combination of the natural wood color that it presents.
Oh, there it is, the periwinkle.
There it is, the periwinkle. And so if you can see on camera, it doesn't look that blue. You see?
It looks more purple.
Oh, to me it looks more gray, but that's just me.
You're colorblind.
Yes. Okay, look, don't tell the world. Don't tell the world. But, yeah, so it looks a little bit better on camera, but I promise you, when in the right lighting, or maybe just once it dries and whatnot, it looks very periwinkle. It looks like it belongs in maybe like a
Disney movie.
8-year-old's room or something. There was a little bit of damage. Yeah, I love how you can see my leg. Just like, it looks like a horror movie. It was just Halloween, so 'tis the spirit. I hope everybody had a great Halloween, and we'll have a great Thanksgiving as well. We have a ton of holidays coming up.
Oh, yeah.
So as you guys know, if you know the drill, I started off trying to be professional about this, and then I just kind of nicked that, and I was like, alright, I'm just going to use my finger and smear it all in there, and then go back in there with a scraper and kind of line it up flush. For that, I just took some wood filler. I actually recently just got a shop back, and I will be collecting all of or for the most part, as far as dust collection goes, some of the wood shavings and sawdust. I was blanking on the words just there. I was like, wood extremity. I don't know. I was like, wood what? But anyway, so it's the sawdust, and I'm just gonna be putting some sawdust and wood glue together, and boom, bada bang. But till then, I still have some wood filler, so let's use it up. I did take the other 2 drawers out, as you can see, and so you'll just follow along with me here as I go through the first coat.
And the only reason she didn't take the bottom one out is because she couldn't figure out how.
No, it wasn't that I couldn't figure out how. It's just because I was lazy. And I'll be honest, I thought it couldn't come out, but then I'm like, what am I thinking? Like, everything can... At some point, everything got put in and installed, so
That's
at some
true.
point it'll be uninstalled. Alright.
Oh, the hand on the hip motion.
They just hand out degrees these days. I just happen to be in the right place at the right time. Got
Thank
it on
you
discount.
for Quizlet for getting me through this long drive. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, for real. Oh. I was dead ass, but...
Well, yeah, that's what I use.
Alrighty, just gonna go with it with a light spray. You know I have no method to my madness, people. So we just paint away, spray away. Oh, Poncho.
Thank you so much for that. And now you're dumping. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to... So the issue with that was it was too light as far as the coat density, and so I just went in with the paint roller, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna make this a little thicker. It turned out I hated it, cussed a little bit, probably said some things I shouldn't have said, and then now here we are going in with a different color. And for this one, I think I went with the navy blue, but it didn't look so navy. It was the navy blue without the navy. It looks okay here, but it's still not as dark as I thought it should be.
I do believe you changed the color twice, right?
I changed the color as a total of 3 times.
Because I want to say it ends up being black.
Yeah, no, it 100% ends up being black. Yeah, I didn't know what to do because I didn't want to leave it the way it was. If I don't like it or I don't think it's going to sell, then I'm just going to keep going. Or if it's something I don't want to slap a company name on, then I'm not going to do it. I'm kind of a perfectionist in that way, and I mean, even in the end, someone still might come through and be like, I absolutely fucking hate it. And I'd be like, this is all my life's work into this desk, but thanks. Yeah. Oh, excuse you.
He has an attitude today.
He has a big attitude. Took a phone call, spray. I really do like those shorts. I'm tempted to, like, ask you to get more of those.
Ask me to
You're the one who ordered them, I think. Yeah. I know I didn't.
Possible.
I'm pretty sure you would. Yeah. So, because I think it came in a pack of 3 or 4. But I really like them. I like them. They're light, so it's like they're not heavy, and I can breathe. Poncho, sit down. Sanding off the drawers here, and again, I'm gonna go for the natural wood exposure. So it kind of took me some time to get off the stain, but not too long. I had like 80 grit sandpaper on my orbital sander, so just took a little bit of patience though. And then I do go over that again with some 100 grit at least, but it was ultimately pretty smooth. Like I didn't feel like there was any damages or anything that could potentially cut you or whatever, so I was pretty good with it. I'm gonna lay that out, wipe it down. Here's the keyboard drawer. Gonna take off the hardware. Kind of do the same thing.
You look like you getting down into the nitty gritty.
I think I found something that was like maybe like some staples or something that were sticking out. I don't quite remember, but it must have been something like that. And gonna do a little flippy flip. There we go. Just got really tired. Alright, on to the little drawers. Like I said, patience that I don't have. Right, and I actually went to the store and got some warm satin varnish to go on these, and that's me applying that varnish. I definitely think I could have been a little more generous with it. I keep making that mistake, guys. Please do not come for me, but I realized I didn't use a brush. I used just like a sponge, so the sponge ended up probably absorbing majority of the varnish. But next time, I got you. I think for me, the reason why I always end up using these and having that habit is because it has, to me, a little more precision because of the edge on the foam brush. So in my brain, I'm thinking, okay, like, I want to make sure that I get full coverage, but I want to make sure I get out all the creases. Yeah. And because of that edge, I can kind of, like, guide that. It may not make any sense. I may be talking out of my fucking ass, but but at the same time, in my brain at the moment, it just makes sense. And here's Jasmine coming to help me. She's doing her thing. She's gonna wipe it down.
Spray, 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 spray.
Spray, spray.
I don't know why I was wearing a good shirt and...
I don't know. Probably just helping me out. And then I leave. I was like, here you go. Bye-bye.
You got it, don't you?
Notice, guys, I don't know if the last video was like this, but the shop's a little bit different. I ended up cleaning up a little bit. Not too much now, because as you can see, it's still a lot of stuff, but
Still a
I definitely move stuff around. It helps. I have too much stuff in there now still, but we're getting it. We're getting there. Oh, and for the third time, because the third time's a charm, and there's nothing wrong, and you can't go wrong with just, you know, painting everything black. So here we are.
And this is her showing me how to use a roller.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we won't talk about it. You're just too nice. Oh, I was, like, fixing my pants right there.
No, you were scratching your back.
Oh. Yeah, you're too gentle. So we'll just go through light coat on that. Light coat. Do 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 do. And then we're gonna use the sprayer and hit it with the sprayer. Go down. You guys know I have like zero method or zero like form when it comes to this stuff. I'm just like, let's go.
If the end result turns out good, it doesn't matter how you get there.
Yeah. That's kind of how I feel. Like, I'm just like, whatever. As long as the end result turns out good, like, you know, whatever. And I love this black paint. I think it's just like a matte black. I don't know what it is. It's definitely not chalk paint, but it's kind of close. It's almost there. But I love this stuff. It dries smoothly. It is smooth. I love using it. It's probably one of my favorite, I would say, like, colors. It is my favorite color, but also, it's just easy to use. This finish is super easy. I mean, I have zero complaints. I am happy with this, the product, everything.
It kind of looks like it's not spraying, but I promise it is.
Mm-hmm. It's just dark.
The only thing with this desk is there was a lot of areas it was kind of hard to reach.
Mm-hmm.
But there it is.
There it is. All nice and dry. Wet sand time or just regular sand time. I don't know. I don't have any water, so.
There's water right there. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
As you open the water.
Mm-hmm. You can hear everything. Like even closing it.
Oh.
There's Lex. What? No. Alright, I do not like the lighting in here, but okay. So at this point, we are going to reinstall everything that has dried. Installing all the drawers and the keyboard drawer, and yeah.
And I'm gonna just make myself look like I'm useful.
Yeah.
As I do in most
Basically, yeah.
videos, right? Yep. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you said that, not me.
Okay.
You said it. You said it.
I look like a teenager.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no. Alright, so as we're approaching the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching and hanging out with us today. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, just let us know. Or if you didn't, let us know. Or if you think of something else, let us know. Yeah, so I'm enjoying this. I hope you guys are too. We'll just keep creating and keep posting. And why are you smiling at the camera all weird?
No,
But-
it was Poncho.
Yeah. So I guess, this is goodbye for now, guys. Until the next video. Thank you guys so much. I guess before we dismiss you, I just want to tell everybody thanks, and hopefully all their holidays are great, and hopefully their Halloween was great, and you guys can enjoy your days with your loved ones and your friends.
This is
You got anything
the
to say?
final.
This
This
is
is the
it.
final product.
All right. You guys are dismissed.
Now you're dismissed.
Yeah.
Thanks.